Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to tame pets, dog and cat. Okay, first you need some bones like this. Can turn this about them. This sword.
Pasit muna dito.
Okay. I'm turning it. Okay. First you need some First you need some skeleton guys to kill, okay? Kill to get some bones. Okay, like that. First you need some fishes. You need to fish. Fish some lakes, ponds, or lake to feed your cat, to tame them. Okay, that's for fishing like that. Okay? Okay, like that is fishing. You get some fish if you want to. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to tame them. Okay? First, a wolf. Okay, that's a wolf. First, you need some bone. Okay, look at that. They stand on you. So just wait for just one bone and tame them. Okay, just wait. Okay. Need some again. Oh man, this wild one. This is
Wild yun.
Okay, next you can 20 to up to 10 cat and dog. Okay. Next also this is the hardest one. Okay, they will move. Okay. So just to tame them, just sit and move slowly because okay. Okay, running around. Okay, this thing takes a lot of time. Okay, let's move. Move so fast. They will move so fast too. Oh, I have a cat. Okay. Oh, wait, sorry. Okay, that's bad. Okay. Now you will know how to tame them. Okay. This is a wolf is great. Okay, if you put it and click it, the wolf attack him. Okay, look at it. He attacked the predator. Okay, the wolf save your life. If he attack him, okay, attack me. Okay, they will attack them too. Okay, if you hurt me, they will attack you. The cats, I don't know what do with cats. I need to thank them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, okay, comment surely to know what I'm doing next. Okay, thanks for watching, and see you